I'm Ella. I studied Earth Sciences and I was at St Anne's College. So we're at Calleworth College in Cornwall and we're doing Oxplore, which is a festival to basically bring in loads of school groups and tell them a bit about Oxford and the research that we do here. I'm from Camborne, so it means a lot to me to engage with school groups from the area. Also, I've got Earth Sciences here, which is my subject. The earthquake, the seismic guys here are really cool to talk to. Oxford is a city, it's not on your doorstep. It's about a 4 or 5 hour journey. So I think just not being able to visit very easily or it costing a lot of money to go there is a bit of an issue. It might feel a bit daunting to actually go to something that's got quite a big reputation internationally. So Oxplore brings Oxford to Cornwall or to anywhere in the UK. And that means that you get to interact with students, you get to interact with staff, and they all have inside knowledge, right? Because they've sort of worked there or studied there. I didn't really seriously consider applying to Oxford until I did the summer school. That's when I sort of learned about Earth Sciences specifically, decided that I really wanted to go to Oxford. I think that definitely growing up in Camborne, the mining heritage is all around you, so you always learn a bit, even if you're not really aware of it. I've had a few conversations with children and teachers from schools that are quite local, and sometimes they're a bit surprised that when I say I'm from Camborne, and it's nice to be oh yeah, we can talk about the areas. They kind of realise I know what it's like to live here. We're not just coming down and telling them how to do something. We know that there's people from Cornwall involved, and yeah, it's been quite cool to see that.